Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, we are going to go over, of course, earn curve. My bots are still trading and there are big updates coming very, very soon. I know it's been very frustrating for a lot of you, but they are coming, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go over that. Of course, crypto markets today, Ripple and XRP. There are big updates potentially coming in October as we have ETF approvals. And we could see this by October 18th, which is very, very nice. We do have some XRP price predictions. I love to throw these in. It does frustrate a lot of people because people can't see the long-term horizon. Everyone's looking at the price right now. Anyway, we've got SUI as well, some nice predictions for that. The X coins, XRP, XLM. We're also going to go over Quant and XDC, a cryptocurrency that not really anyone talks about and hasn't for a very long time. BlackRock has sold off a significant amount of Ethereum, and there's also a lot happening on the Ethereum network, I should say, with Fidelity launching a treasury, which is amazing. Going to go over the crypto prices and all the news on X. Let's get into the video, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, I've gone to the old school way of using my phone, because we all use our phones, right? Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see on the screen, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So, all right, so give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So be careful, do your own research. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Formalities are out of the way. Coming straight over to the former community tab, but posts tab now. Top altcoins in my portfolio. I do share them pretty much every single day. The full list of coins that I'm holding in the Wall Street Bull University. Please feel free to do that. The link for that is in the video description. We had Ravane, Electronium. I'm bullish on Electronium. I've been holding this for years now. It is part of the Digital Pound Foundation with, of course, Ripple and Quant, believe it or not. We also have Veracity, great project for creators like, influencers or, content creators. It's really, really good. Polkadot as well. Do your research on these projects, guys, that's for sure. I did post this up on the weekend and it was interesting, but Henry Ford put up this, this interview in 1921 talking about an energy currency. Fascinating stuff right there. Very, very exciting times. Now, let's go to coin market cap. We do have a total market cap today, and it is the 8th of September, 2025. Where is this year gone? October's a big month for ETFs, especially Ripple and XRP. 3.83 trillion. It is in the green, 1.11%. Fear and greed index is sitting at 40, which is at neutral, as you can see. And the ETFs had a significant amount of outflows on Friday at the market open on Wall Street. $592 million out of ETFs. Most of that coming out of Ethereum, you can see right there. 432 million came out. That's a lot. I'm not really worried about that, though, because if Wall Street jumps on this bandwagon with tokenizing US equities like stocks, bonds, treasuries, all that kind of stuff on Ethereum, it's going to be pretty wild. Coming over to my watch list, my portfolio, as I mentioned, Ravane, Electronium, Veracity. Doge is also up. Now, there's an interesting one. I believe it's Nate Garassi, or we'll get into it on X in a moment, but he did say that they could see a Dogecoin ETF approved this week. We'll have a look into that, because I might have to get the guys at Octobot to start a grid bot for Dogecoin, which I think is definitely going to be on the cards, because it is part of the ETF list, right? We also have AGIX, Polkadot, Axie Infinity, reserve rights. Solana's up to $206, which is nice. Let's just do this. Let's go to market cap. Bitcoin did hit 111,000. Late evening last night, I believe it was. It's back to 110. Ethereum's at $4,298. XRP bullish, $2.88. Solana's at $206. Dogecoin 22 cents. Cardano sitting at 83 cents. Chainlink $22.43. Sui's at $3.37. XLM 36 cents. Hedera sitting at 21 cents. And Litecoin $113. All right, very, very interesting. Now, again, for my Aussie audience, because there's a lot of Aussies that watch my channel. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. There's not many crypto influencers in Australia, that's for sure. 168,000 Australian dollars for Bitcoin. Ethereum's at 6,538. XRP's $4.38. Solana's at 315 Australian dollars. Dogecoin 34. Cardano's $1.26. Chainlink $33. Sui's at $5.14. XLM 54 cents. Hedera's at 33. Litecoin sitting at $173. Crazy. XDC 11 cents. Quant is at 155. My dollar cost average into that was around about 60. Gosh, around 60 US dollars. So it would have been around about 80 Australian dollars at the time. My nose is itchy. I don't even know why. Anyway, moving on. Now, my spot crypto exchange earn curve, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of you that have signed up. We are almost at 600 registered users. So thank you very much. Quite a number of you haven't started your Octobots, which is cool. Everyone's waiting for the multi-bots. That is coming, ladies and gentlemen. And I really appreciate every one of you joining. And of course, KYC, meaning uploading your driver's license, government issued ID, and a utility bill. That's very important. So if you haven't done so, go do that. And as I keep saying in my videos, I will apply a 10% discount to your trading fees, which will stay there, I should say. Just letting everyone know, though, that discount will stay there because I'm saying thank you to all of you. All right. Now, coming over here, you can see on, of course, earn curve, you can see my XRP grid bot is working nicely. It has made a significant amount of trades. As you can see right here, there's a lot of them right there. Now, coming over to the actual bots themselves, I like trading bots because it's fully automated. You don't have to do anything with them. You let them trade. They trade the markets for you, and it's really, really simple. Now, coming over here, you can see September 8th, today, there was a sell order right there, which is nice. And again, XRP's been very flat. Just let everyone know. My body's up 13.41%. That is because I started it in, say, I think it was around about the 6th of July. And you just let them go, all right? You don't touch them because the market is still very early. We are still early in this space. The top coins accelerator DCA bot, there's a lot of you trading with this, which is nice. This trades, of course, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Cardano, which is really cool as well. Now, I did put up a post on the YouTube community channel. There is going to be an XLM grid bot. There will be a Litecoin grid bot. And gosh, what was the other one? Can't even remember. It's still early in the day. But anyway, big things are coming with this. The guys at Octobot are working very hard to test everything to make sure it's all working perfectly. So instead of using multiple accounts on EarnCurve to set up these bots, as you can see, which I've done here, you won't need to do that anymore. You'll be able to run one account with as many bots as you like. That's crypto baskets, of course, all the grid bots and the DCA bots. Just letting everyone know. So please be patient with me. And if you haven't done so already, please join the exchange and register. I need your help to get this up in the top crypto exchanges in Australia. It's not easy. It's very challenging. It can be frustrating at times, but I'm getting there. Thank you guys for being very patient with this, and big things are coming. And you guys rock. I just want to say I really appreciate all of you. Anyway, also my dividend investing book on the side of crypto, go get a copy of Money Never Sleeps, my ebook. There's a lot of useful information in here, and it will change your perspective on investing in Wall Street and dividend paying stocks. There's a lot of books out there that talk about investing. None of them really talk about dividend investing, and that's no BS. A lot of them talk about, yes, you get distributions, blah, blah, blah. This is primarily focused on dividend because we need an alternative source of income. It is very challenging out there at the moment to earn a secondary income. All right, whether you're starting an e-commerce business or running some kind of business on the side from your normal job or your normal 9 to 5. And a lot of people are investing in real estate these days, and it just does not work in Australia. There is even, I'm not kidding, a spare bedroom tax that's being tabled which is going to be interesting. I think that's going to drive a lot of people crazy. Anyway, dividend investing for me is by far the best form of passive income, and cryptocurrency will get you to that passive income, in my opinion, a lot faster. All right, so go read the book. It's going to be valuable for all of you. I'm not kidding. Go read it. A lot of people have bought this. It's amazing. I just want people to see and open their eyes. And that's what I've done. So go get it. The Wall Street Bull official link is below. Crypto bubbles. On the day, we have WorldCoin. That is Sam Altman right there, creator of ChatGPT. That is up 13.1% today. All year, though, it's been down 16.6%. Let's have a look here. We do have Pengu. I'm not sure what's going on with their ETF application. I'm not big into meme coins. Again, I do hold Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and maybe one other meme coin. That is it. I'm focused on real world utility. That's up 5.2% today. Fetch AI, I am dollar cost averaging into this one. It's not financial advice. That's up 3.2%. I'm bullish on, of course, artificial intelligence. And Solana, it is up 62% this year, 2.2% at 206 US dollars. So that's very, very nice to see that. If you come to the year, though, and where is XRP right here? It is still up 448% this year, which is nice. XDC sitting at 198%. This is only available on the OTC market, as if I can remember, on EarnCurve. So meaning you can deposit and buy it. It's up to you, with crypto only, I should say. But anyway, I'm very bullish on XDC. Now, October 18th, there's a big date this coming month, I should say, a couple of weeks away. We do have a lot of ETF applications pending with the Securities and Exchange Commission. I mean, it's going to be very interesting to see what happens once these ETFs, get approved. Seriously. We'll read this article quickly on Yahoo. And again, Ripple and XRP rose 7% on Sunday, September 17th, emerging as the second best intraday performer among the top 10 cryptocurrencies, behind Dogecoin, which bounced 4%. Community discussions over the past 24 hours suggest both assets benefited, I should say, from increased speculation around pending cryptocurrency ETF reviews as the SEC approaches its critical October 18th decision window. So we could see this happen next month. That's not far away. And echoing many others active influences, there you go, within the Ripple and Army online, community analyst Alpha Trades posted an image showing the key deadline dates on the XRP ETF filings by 7 asset managers, all anticipated in 7 days between October 18th and October 25th. XRP trading metrics on Sunday reflects the 3% price uptick. Was mainly driven by active, high leverage speculative demand, as seen on a CoinMarketCap chart above. XRP price 3% rally on Sunday was accompanied by a 10% decline in 24-hour trading volume. Such a significant price increase during a decline in spot market activity signals that the main catalyst lies among traders speculating on future events. Let's see what happens. But October 18th to 25, we could see something massive happen. And again, we'll have to wait and see if Paul Atkins, I hope that he doesn't delay it, because it's been long enough. Come on, Paul. Come on, mate. Let's get this going. There is an analyst out there that put a $20 cap on XRP for this cycle, and we'll read it. Let me know your comments below. $20 remains the primary cycle target. XRP still faces strong resistance at $4 level, but this does not alter the overall bullish outlook on the macro, he wrote on a post on X. This is from another analyst out there. There's a lot of analysts in this space. SUI price prediction for 2025. I've been into SUI for quite some time. I'm going to have a quick read of it. I'm not going to go into all of it, but guys, this is a pretty undervalued project in my opinion. Price for 2025, September, $4.30 range. October, $4.80. November 25, $5.40. December 2025 is the $6 range. I can wait that long. 26 to the year 2030. This is where it gets pretty crazy. $4.80 and $6.50. 2027, $8.40. 2028, $10.50. This is US dollars, I should say, by the way. 2029, $13, and we have 2030 at 11. So there might be a pullback there, but again, SUI is a pretty cool project, guys. It really is, and it's rivaling potentially Solana, but we'll see about that. I don't know. And just think about it, do your research into the project. But I've been holding SUI for a very long time, and it's only the beginning, I should say. And I'm not going to read this one here, but this is one on Daily Coin With XRP gaining strength, potential ETF developments, and XLM showing technical resilience, the race for a higher return in cryptos in 2025 is heating up. I'm bullish on that, of course. These two coins, XLM really, in my opinion, is essentially a fork of Ripple when you think about it. I mean, Ripple is going for, cross-border payments, whereas Stellar Lumens is going for, smaller retail, I should say, like a Western Union kind of thing. Anyway, it has its utility. Quant, I haven't spoken about Quant for a very, very long time. It's an interesting one. Some of you might think that Quant is, again, I think of Bitcoin. Others might think central bank digital currencies. But from the perspective of this editorial, it is great to see a token created in the United Kingdom. And a token whose vision is formed through the integrity and technologist Gilbert Viridian, who I believe is an Aussie. To be honest, I think he is. I can't remember exactly. Overledger is a new blockchain operating system intending to solve the problems of single ledger dependency by increasing communicability among the digital ledger technologies, DLTs, allowing general purpose applications to run on top of different blockchains. And the Overledger enables users to build decentralized multi-chain applications, or dApps, which aren't single blockchain dependent. Today, all links Quant's white paper, as much as all information about QNT, have been removed from Quant Network's website, which is interesting. And what does it do? Now, according to the team at Quant, Quant is a utility token. It is used to form and gain access to the Quant services. Quant has no interest in our token as a cryptocurrency. The Quant token is an integral part of our platform, but it's not the focus on our efforts. Some exchanges do list the token, even though the team at Quant are not pushing Quant, which is interesting. And I should say, Quant does have a circulating supply of 14 million tokens, which is less than Bitcoin. Not kidding, go look it up. The XDC network right here is a blockchain that forked from Ethereum and is designed to give businesses the chance to create their own networks. The blockchain is a journey among the Ethereum killers right here, or many of the Ethereum killers that aim to escape the problems such as slowness and cost that had an impact on the original chain. It uses a delegated proof of stake, or POS, consensus mechanism that produces blocks more effectively. XDC Network boasts on its website that it has allowed to process more than 2,000 transactions per second and keep a minuscule gas fee, which is, again, bullish as well. And again, it is based, doing a lot with trade finance, which is a massive industry. So keep a close eye on XDC, that is for sure. Moving on, we did have BlackRock dumping a significant amount of course, Ethereum, close to $300 million on last week, which is huge. So let's keep an eye on that. We also have Fidelity quietly launching a tokenized treasury fund on Ethereum. So Fidelity, again, a massive fund manager. And the new fund is a blockchain-based share class of its treasury money market, now holding $200 million in assets, which is wild. Coming over to X, and then we'll end up on here, ladies and gents. Thank you to those, of course, 9,088 people. You guys rock. Yes, if you haven't gone to follow this video on how to set up an EarnCurve account and set up your grid bots, it's all there. Go watch it. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 51 as of an hour ago now. Moving on, we have CNBC is calling it, it's all over right here. At some point, we are going to get AI systems that are better than almost all humans and almost all tanks right here, tasks, which is going to be fascinating. It is happening right now. We have companies are purchasing 1,755 Bitcoin a day. You can see right here, it's going to be pretty short in supply. If you ask me, in the next couple of months, if not years, there's probably going to be hardly anything on exchanges. Tom Lee just filed an S-1 filing with the SEC for a Futures Crest Acquisition Corp, a $250 million SPAC targeting AI digital assets fintech, which is wild. And yes, we do have Nate Grassi here. First Dogecoin ETF appears likely to launch this week. So let's keep an eye on that. Michael Saylor is going to be doing another dollar cost average. He posts this stuff up all the time, which is nice. And of course, we saw a $1 billion in long positions liquidated. That is when you trade with leverage. We're not doing that, of course, with EarnCurve. So guys, go join up. Really, really big things coming. All right, I'm out of here. Make sure you have a nice day, good afternoon, a good morning. And if it is morning, have a double shot espresso. All right, take care of yourselves, guys. Speak soon. Peace. Bye.